Hey everybody, it's Bryan on the Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to embed a Loom video. Now, if you're not familiar with Loom, it is a wonderful video screen sharing video software that I use all the time with clients to be able to go through their website. And it's a lot like what these videos where there'll be a circle cut out, a video of me talking to them through the website, but explaining to them like during the build of the website, we'll be going through the revision process. And as you know, add pages or whatever, and then I will send them a Loom video and talk to them about what I've done, what the thought process was that went into why I did it, and then just next steps that things that I need from them and that type of thing. So it makes it a lot easier than trying to communicate just by email. The video cuts out so much back and forth that we would have to do otherwise. So it's a great software, but clients would want to take a Loom video and make a video going through a service on their own website and then be able to then embed that Loom video on their website to show how to use their service on their website or how something works in their business and be able to go through their and share their screen while they're doing it, and it's really helpful. So anyhow, we're going to show you how to embed this. It's not going to take long. It's a pretty quick process, but we're going to head over my screen now and I'll show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so I'm here on my Loom dashboard, and you can see I've got a lot of folders here, a lot of videos for the clients that I've had. And so really, like, all we have to do is go and grab one of these videos. Let's see here. Let's go into this folder here. And we will copy the link to it. And then we'll head over to my demo website and let's just create in the not link section, let's create a blank page that we'll start with. And we'll just title it tutorials. Maybe you're going to be doing a video tutorials here on Loom. And so we'll go into edit mode now on that and then add a section. We'll just do a blank section. Let's make this section be black to kind of go with the rest of the layout of the website. Okay, and so then we're going to add a block. Let me move myself out of the way here. So we're going to add a block and we want to do an embed block. So we can just search that and then embed. And then we can take this and size it the way we want. And then we'll click on the pencil icon there to go into the editor of that block. And right here under link, we will just paste the link. So Command V to paste the link there. It's searching, successfully located. And you see here, it's going to have an animated thumbnail. And we can save. And then now we can actually even take this, and if we want to resize it, we can grab the fill handles there and change the size of this. We can take it and center it in the window there in the container. But then you can see how you could put multiple of these across the screen if you wanted. And get those centered up. And you can see how you could make that layout there and add those to your page. So that's all there was to it. It's just a simple copying and pasting of the link into an embed block. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace content like this. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.